No. No.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
And remember, with a little rusties and an insane amount of luck, you too can look like me. Ka-chow.
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
Squishy! Hey, baby! Squishy, guess what? We got 10 million followers on TikTok, Squishy. Phew, they're cheekies.
You really just.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold one.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
One more time.
Oh no, I think we
got this one.
Yeah, we're just getting in the groove. No, let's keep wanting more.
Yeah, you've grown 400 pounds.
Oh my god.
Meanwhile, I look exactly the same. Tell the song. We sing the song. You started singing it. It's our signature song. We should be sharing it.
Klein, please tell us which one is the expensive beef.
So this is what happened, see, alright? See, I was just driving, and I was coming by this way, and this squad of ducklings came out of nowhere, right? I didn't want to hurt them, so I just stopped over and tried to push them somewhere else, and now they imprinted on me. And now, see, watch this. They just follow me. Like, they think I'm their mom. Dude!
These are my minions. I don't know their names. I don't want to know their names. They are known as
Chanel number 2.
Chanel number 3.
Chanel number 5.
I'm Chanel number 1, obvi.
Jerry, what are you doing outside? It's drizzling! Get in the house right now! Jerry, get down from there. It's time to go downstairs! Get out of the popcorn machine. I'm not making popcorn. And you, stop trying to get up there and eat her!
Park.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
I'm gonna be a pumpkin blueberry.
What's his name?
This is Frankie.
What's with his leg braces?
He, 2 months ago, decided to jump out a window.
Wow, that's a very trusting cat.
Yeah, he doesn't always sniff dogs' faces. He only does it to the ones that he feels like the safest around.
He's so chill.
No. 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 ¿Ese es tu sentado? No. Oh my god. No. No. Qué bello tú.
High five. Too slow.
Ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ting tang, walla walla bang bang.
Life like this sure is sweet, huh?
It definitely is.
Hey, let me get a mint. Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold him. Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog doing?
Look, here comes a consequences of my actions chasing me right now. I don't want no consequence. I don't want no consequences chasing me right now. Someone take this consequence. Someone take this consequence of chasing me right now.
Nothing like working at PetSmart.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting.
What is it? What is it? Is it your favorite movie? I know.
What are you doing? Okay.
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Okay, ready?
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100%. Really sad you don't follow me on Instagram.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
Gonna grow up, find a Toys R Us kid. They got a million toys and Toys R Us that I can play with. I don't wanna grow up, I'm a really rich kid.
Hungry? You want a snacky? You want a snacky? Come on, let's go get snackies. Let's go.
6. Good boy. Bobby, spin. Good boy.
You need to tell me what kind of dog you have, because I feel like everyone has a lab, golden retriever.
Nobody ever believes me when I tell them what kind of dog I have. One of his parents was a pit bull and the other one was a wiener dog.
Hey, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Look at them short little things.
You're so beautiful.
Travis, I need to talk to you.
What?
Oh. This is a private conversation. So.
Hey, you! What are you doing? Come here. Good girl. Come on, Tango. Good girl.
Wash your bum bum every single day. Wash your bum bum, wash the dirt away. Now the bum bum squeaky clean, but there's no towel to be seen. But we can always shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We can always shake it till it's right.
You know, I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Tell me you're a crazy dog person without telling me you're a crazy dog person. Here, I'll start.
Whoa. Relax. That is my booty. Oh my god.
Yeah. Come on, Odin. Come here, baby. It's okay. Come on. Oh, whoa.
Come on. Come on, Flip. Good job.
The way it reproduces, it's creepy. It's probably the worst.
So I was looking for my cat, and I found her behind the blinds, and I thought, oh, you know, what a cute little loaf. And I wanted to go take a video of her from the front, so I hopped over, you know, here, and...
We do not treat you that bad, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. Leo, stop playing, bro. Leo, bro, stop playing, bro. Look at me, bro. Bro, stop. Stop it. Bro.
You just had a shower. This little cute thing. Oh my god, you look so pretty. You look so pretty and thick. Let's look at your behind. Shake it for us.
Look at what I'm telling you. Don't bite the dog. Do not bite the dog. Because this right here, this relationship between me and you gotta understand me. I don't want you biting the dog. Let it be the last time.
We're getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that puppy. Hey!
Just like that. Stay. Okay. Alright, ready?
I'm getting ripped tonight.
R.I.P. that Milo. He's fine.
Dear Diary, I told the cat about how my dearest human has promoted me, teaching me to shake so I can participate in his business dealings. However, Cat pointed out that I'm often unaware of what I'm shaking on. For example, when I shook the neighbor's hand this morning, I have no clue what I agreed to. None. Cat says this is how the devil buys souls. I will pee on the bed for comfort.
Good boy. Nope. Don't even think about it.
No. No.
Oh my goodness. It looks as though Gizmo's found a comfy spot. This time at the end of the bed. So comfy. Gizmo, you comfy cat. Comfy, oh wow.
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Did you find yourself a good stick? Is that a good stick, honey? Good luck bringing it up here. Oh. You got it.
You wanna go see the bunny? You wanna go see the bunny? Let's go see the bunny. Go see the bunny.
Let's go see the bunny. Meowie, Mama needs some tea. Will you open it? Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day.
Does that make you upset? Do you want her to move? Him to move? Get him! Get him! Get him off your bed! Get him? No, he's still on your bed. What's your deal? He's still on your bed. What are you gonna do about it?